Now we got a new site where the caterpillar is filling the sand. You can see it's very clear and very bright. The first pit, due to the broken caterpillar, you can see this is the propeller that was broken from it, is being taken to the mechanic for some welding. And this is how it goes now in the new site. I'm going to get this video from another direction so you can see it well. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah, thanks for the man which was saying that there's going to be a breakage. This is a beautiful view, you got to take a look at it. Where like in China, you have down pits and you got upper pits. Yeah, he's trying to tip the sand there because he cannot be able to pass through this lane due to the truck which was stuck here. So therefore he's trying to tip the sand here, and you can hear the caterpillar guy saying he's not going to load him if he eventually tips it there. So he's gonna take the sand and move forward out of the down pits. Yeah, off he goes. I want to know if he's going to pass through this truck here. So guys, watch out and see what's gonna be, what is gonna be. ID. They no gree us work now, so now here we do. That guy man go fit pass the after. Why ain't go tip the sand where they don't put for and finish? It's supposed to go. You don't go tip the sand now. Later now you go come here, come wait me then full on. They successfully pass through and you can see.